everyone, welcome back to the show. Today, we're diving into the world of hot dog carts, specifically the licenses and permits you need to get rolling. Let's start with the first question. Do hot dog carts need license plates? Well, the short answer is no, not always. If you're running a typical non-motorized hot dog cart that stays in one spot, you probably don't need a license plate. But here's the catch. If your cart is motorized or towed as a trailer on the street, things change. A cart built to tow behind a vehicle should be registered as a trailer, and if you're using it on the street for sales, you'll need plates. So, it really depends on how you're moving and using the cart. Next up, do hot dog carts have titles? Again, it's not a one-size-fits-all. If your cart is towed by a trailer, you'll need a trailer title to get the tags that make it street legal. But if you're just operating a simple, stationary cart, you might not need a title at all. And if you have a certificate of origin, like the document you get when you buy a new cart, you might be covered on the title front. Now, let's talk about the 5 key requirements for a hot dog stand business license. First off, a food vending license. Most places require this before you open. You'll need to contact your local health department and meet their specific requirements. Second, a food handler's permit. Some areas mandate that there's a certified food handler or manager on site during business hours, which might mean taking a training program. Third, a general business license. A lot of jurisdictions ask for this in addition to food permits. It's basically permission to conduct business in the area. Fourth, health inspections and certificates. You'll have to pass an inspection covering everything from cleanliness and food storage to refrigeration, preparation space, trash disposal, and even having a fire extinguisher. So that's all for today's podcast. I hope you found this information useful, and if you're thinking about starting your own cart, I wish you all the best. Remember, it takes hard work and dedication, but with the right plan, you can make it a success. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you next time.